Greetings, fellow entrepreneurs. Welcome back to the Apptunics YouTube channel. Today, we're laying down the blueprint for your journey to app success. So, whether you're a seasoned pro or just planning to build an app, these 5 critical considerations will be your guiding stars. In today's digital world, having an app for your business has become a necessity rather than a luxury. However, developing an app is a process. Creating a successful and one-of-its-kind application requires a lot of planning, effort, resources, time, energy, and investment. But, let's face it, definitely, it is hard to take the first step of the app development journey. However, your success partner Apptunics is at your service. Let's learn what are the top 5 things that you must consider before you build your app. Let's dive in. 1. Platforms. First up, it's all about the platforms. The million-dollar question: where should your app thrive? Is it iOS, Android, or both? Your platform choice is your launchpad. Therefore, make an informed decision here. If your plan is to create an application that runs on Android, iOS, and Windows platforms, you may want to consider cross-platform development. First, look at your target audience. If you want a wider reach and greater exposure, it's best to go with Android, as it has a bigger market share. However, if your app targets affluent users in developed countries, iOS might be a good pick as it's their primary user. Next, consider your timeline and budget. If it's limited, it's best to go with an iOS app, as it has comparably shorter development times. You should also look at the desired features of your app. Does it require third-party integration or access to hardware-level capabilities? Finally, consider your revenue goals. iOS users spend more than their Android counterparts, leading to bigger earnings overall. Well, the bottom line is that there's no universal winner between iOS and Android. The best approach is to look at your goals and pick the platform that serves it best. Schedule a free consultation with Apptunics today, and let us help you sort it out. 2. Development team. Next up comes assembling your dream development team. Your app's destiny must be in your proficient and capable hands. Developers, designers, marketers, testers, each one is a hero in your app story. A dedicated team ensures your app's success. So, your first section of the army includes professional iOS and Android developers. In addition to the 2 platform-specific developers, you'll also need a full-stack web developer. Next, you'll also need a UI and UX designer on your team to make sure everything looks appealing and perfect on your app or website. Your app development team needs a quality analyst as well to make sure that the software is properly tested. Last, but certainly not least, your team needs a project manager who ensures that the team is hitting their deadlines, oversees the entire project, and holds everyone accountable. Here's when Apptunics experts come into the picture. Consider enlisting the services of the best mobile app development company, Apptunics. 3. Infrastructure. Next up we have infrastructure, which is the backbone of your app. Think of it as the engine that powers your dream. Where will your app be hosted? What databases will you need? Infrastructure is the engine room where your app's magic happens. Choose the right one, and your app will run like a well-oiled machine. What you need to do is partner up with a hosting service that can host your app and its infrastructure. Security, scalability, reliability. 4. Services. Now, let's talk about services. What does your app offer to users? Is it content, e-commerce, social networking, or a unique blend of all of these? The services you provide define your app's character and value. Choose them wisely to engage your users effectively. Although, there are plenty of other existing services that are currently out there. Use those to your advantage when you're building an app. 5. Tools. Last but not least, the tools in your toolbox. Consider the resources, integrations, and third-party services that'll help you build your app. In addition to existing services that you can leverage, there are also existing mobile app development tools. Make sure you consider all of the tools available at your disposal before you start building anything. So, entrepreneurs, it's time to embrace the future. Let's get started with your mobile app development and redefine your journey with Apptunix. Your customers are waiting for you. It's time for you to kickstart your business today. Contact Apptunix today to propel your business to unprecedented heights. If you found this video valuable, please remember to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more captivating entrepreneurial insights. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.